Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming to you from Bisil Bliss, which is a house in Bisil town. It's full of wildlife from giraffes, ostriches and even genets. Bisil Bliss is home to so much bird life and you can find all sorts of species from go-away birds to weavers. It took us 2.5 hours to come here from Nairobi and we passed so many cows. Cows were just everywhere and we also passed some beautiful Maasai markets. Cows are wealth for tribes living in the rural areas of Kenya. The more cows you have means the richer you are. In Bisil, the only kind of traffic is cow traffic everywhere, blocking the roads, because it is one of the areas where Maasai live, who depend on livestock. Bisil Bliss is a 4-bedroom house located in the middle of Naylen Farm, Bisil town, near Kajiado, which is in Kenya. Animals roam freely throughout the 15-acre plot, and there are no predators at Naylen except for genets and hyenas. The living area is fully open to the wild. The house also has a small pool and lots of sitting and lounging areas. Bisil Bliss also has a beautiful bird feeder that attracts its fantastic bird life from all around. You can find a wide array of birds from swallows, go-aways, hornbills, starlings, doves, sparrows, weavers, and so much more. The house is also home to dozens of cheeky squirrels who love feasting on the seeds like the birds. Did you know that a squirrel's front teeth never stop growing? At Naylen, you can enjoy beautiful scenery and wildlife, or have picnics on its endless plains, or even go on bushwalks in the riverbed. The wildlife of Bisil is coming out in my next video, so stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed this short video on Bisil Bliss. Thanks for watching.